Introducing Savvy Earthlings, a relocatable skincare manufacturing and online retail business. Generating $4,000 a month in sales with little marketing, this skincare manufacturing and online retail business is a smart investment. A niche business, rebranded in 2018, Savvy Earthlings manufactures organic skincare using Australian botanics, sustainably sourced from ethical farms. The business founder has focused on sustainability and performance, as well as its carbon footprint, using 98% Australian-sourced materials. The sale includes all manufacturing equipment, and there is an optional 3x3 factory lease plus potential for a shopfront. Boasting both wholesale and retail customers, Savvy Earthlings creates standalone products which are vegan-friendly and not tested on animals. All packaging is reusable, refillable, recyclable, or compostable, and the special skills required can be easily attained via training. The business is fully relocatable, offers flexible working hours depending on demand, and production could be outsourced if preferred. With the owner selling for family reasons, the business is ready for a savvy operator to take it to its full potential.